Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, I'd like to follow up on the readings that we heard at Sunday Mass and also the theme of Father Bill's homily by focusing on and reflecting on Pope Francis's encyclical letter, Laudato Si, which concerns the care of our common home, our sister and Mother Earth. In these first two paragraphs of Laudato Si, Pope Francis sets the stage and summarizes what he will say throughout the encyclical. He talks about the beauty of the earth, and then he talks about how our sister needs us now. The earth needs us because we are one with the earth, and the earth is in trouble. Let me read these two first paragraphs, and I offer them to us all for our thoughtful reflection today. Laudato si, mi Signore. Praise be to you, my Lord. In the words of this beautiful canticle, St. Francis of Assisi reminds us that our common home is like a sister with whom we share our life, and a beautiful mother who opens her arms to embrace us. Praise be to you, my Lord, through our sister, Mother Earth, who sustains and governs us and who produces various fruit with colored flowers and herbs. This sister now cries out to us because of the harm we have inflicted on her by our irresponsible use and abuse of the goods with which God has endowed her. We have come to see ourselves as her lords and masters, entitled to plunder her at will. The violence present in our hearts, wounded by sin, is also reflected in the symptoms of sickness evident in the soil, in the water, in the air, and in all forms of life. This is why the earth herself, burdened and laid waste, is among the most abandoned and maltreated of our poor. She groans in travail. We have forgotten that we ourselves are dust of the earth. Our very bodies are made up of her elements. We breathe her air, and we receive life and refreshment from her waters. Thank you for watching today and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.